Okay, yoink. Oh.
What's up, everybody? It's Joe with Just Jeep It. How you doing? All about, and I'll give you a brief description and everything. I'm really excited about GoPro. Hey, what's up, everyone? Joe with Just Jeep It. How's it going? I got a two-parter here for you today. Part one is going to be a product review and unboxing of the latest addition to the Cherokee Chief, and part two is going to be the install of this new part. So I've been looking far and wide for something that would match my style, what I like on my Jeeps, and oh, kids are out vacuuming the car, and something that really just grabbed my attention. Smittybilt made this part, and I'm really excited to show you the ins and outs of this. So we're going to unbox this, kind of look at what comes with the kit, and we're going to get this thing installed tonight. I'm really hoping. But let's get all set up, and I'll show you what we're talking about. All right, let's roll.
Well, here it is. Big box. This is the Smittybilt XRC front bumper for the Cherokee 84-01. I think you can see that with the glare. It's their XRC mod multi-optional design front bumper. And let me tell you what, after doing an exhaustive research, this is what I landed on. And when you see it, you're going to be really impressed. So I'm going to set this camera up and we'll start unboxing it and get to the nuts and bolts of this video. Really excited about this. It's going to look awesome on the Chief. All right, so we're going to start cutting the straps. I tell you, they box it up really nice too for something this heavy. The box didn't really break apart. So all right, let's see here. The unveiling. Ooh. Whoa, nice. Let's deposit this on the side. Good cardboard for later. You know we always like cardboard. Packaged really well. Oh yeah. Oh, nice. Oh my God. Use caution. Do not open with sharp object. May cause damage to part. I don't think anything's going to damage that. Here's the box of hardware you get. All right, nice. Cool. So they really do box this up super nice. Well done, Smittybilt. Well done. Got the ends wrapped in some kind of like thick plastic mat so it doesn't damage the ends. It's pretty simple. It's a bumper and it's the mounting parts. Real nice. All right, let's cut this open and see what's up. Let's see here. Ooh, I love the texture. It's like a wrinkled texture. And that's nice. Well done. Be careful not to scratch it. This was built, let's see, October 25th, 2021. It was inspected by, let's see, inspector number 11391. Very nice. Let's see how good your inspection part job was. Whew. 3/16 steel. Yeah, that should do it. Oh, look at the size of this. Holy jeez. Ooh, that was painful. That winch plate should hold up real nice too. Oh yeah, look at that. Well done. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is gonna look sharp. Fair lead mounting. It looks nice. Wow. All right, let's get this cleaned up here. Oh my gosh. Hopefully they have stickers. Okay, so let's take a look at the welding and the assembly of this. This is fully welded, you would expect. I mean, those are your front tow hooks. They have to last. They have to be pretty durable. They're welded all the way through. Same one over here. Let's see if we can get inside here. Looks like that's fully welded too. That's good. Back plate is bent. And let's go inside. Might not be able to tell. Fully welded here and here. Full weld here. Let me get some better light. Hold on. Okay, so inside here where they start assembling the pieces, we have welded here, a little bit of misweld there, welded here. This little support bracket, spot welded, not spot welded, but the weld's not, you know, the entire length of the steel. Probably a little overkill, but I guess I would have liked to have seen full welds, but that's probably just par for the course. But really substantial, really nice piece. I like these little D windows too, or these little square windows. I like those. That's nice looking. It's a good touch. Yeah, it's sharp, man. Very nice. But yeah, let's take a look over here. Looks pretty good in here. I know it's kind of tough to tell. It's all just black, but this is the corner. And it looks like the welds are really good. Machine welded. Yeah, I mean, there it is. Very nice. Overall, first impressions is this is very well put together. Ooh, that's loud. Digging it. There it is. What a nice looking bumper. So, good thing about how they have the ends angled up is for good approach. See, that's nice. They got that all up there. So when you install it, the 9701, the front fenders kind of end right here, but the 84 to 96, you'll have to do a little fender trimming. Not really thrilled about that because I don't want to cut into the Chief, but I guess I'll have to sacrifice a little bit. It kills me to do it, but I guess that's just what we're gonna have to do. Love the ends, really sharp looking. That's beef right there. That's good. Awesome.
It's nice they provide a 800 number if you're missing any parts. So here's their hardware box. Let's see what we got here. Okay. Mounting plates and bolts, I assume. There's their plates. Yeah, this is awesome. Yeah, they give you this little, oh, it has grease in it already. That's pretty cool. They give you this little fancy doodad that you have to, I guess, fish into the frame. It's pretty cool. Some pretty good instructions. If you're missing hardware, give them a buzz, send them an email. Great. You don't need that. I'm always hesitant to throw things out. Never throw things out until the install's fully done. You never know. Maybe that. Lots of hardware bolts. Looks like some substantial bolts. Big old washers. I'm sure they do something. Set that aside. Set that aside. Really nice touch, guys. Nice and beefy. Are they labeled? Okay, they're not labeled, but sure they're pretty easy to figure out which side is which. I mean, there's not that many parts to it. Alright, so they both match up. One's one side and one is the other. What else do we got here? Okay, yoink. Oh. So you get that. Bag, a couple big washers, a whole lot of hardware with different sizes, and the instructions. Let's see here. Hope I get a sticker. It's the whole point of getting some of this. No sticker, are you kidding me? Smittybilt, what's the point, man? Advertising. Maybe the sticker's in the box. I didn't throw the box away. Yeah, so some pretty descriptive instructions. Do this, do that. Oh, 3 or 4 pages. I should have this done by tonight. Yeah. Whatever. Okay. Not too bad. Cool. Let's see. What do they tell you? Do you, please take time to fill out this information. It's for warranty. This will help with any warranty. Okay. Maybe I will fill this out. Maybe. Again, any kind of questions, you can call them. But that's all you get, folks. It's, I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4. Can't be that hard.
Well, I have to say, I'm really impressed with the bumper so far. Looks like it was well put together, and I love the finish, and it's definitely strong enough for what I'm going to be doing with it. So that about wraps it up for this video. Like I said, it's a quick unboxing. Just wanted to get documented out there what this thing looked like and how it was packaged. Smittybilt, super impressed so far with what you put out there for a product. I like the packaging. It was well packaged, safe and secure, no damage. Parts seem to be all in place. Looks like pretty minimal instructions for install. So so far, highly rated. So that wraps up part 1. Let's get rolling to part 2. And don't forget, folks, take care of yourselves, take care of your Jeeps, and we'll check you out on part 2, which is the install. Take it easy.